In this video, you'll learn how to create tabs in the Hosting a Website Builder using the Horizons AI panel. We'll go step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a simple tabbed section and fine-tune the way it looks and behaves. This approach is great if you want to organize content into separate sections without overwhelming your visitors with a long scrolling page. Let's start from your Hostinger account dashboard. Once you're logged in and you're on the main control area for your website, look for the option to open the Hostinger Horizons panel. This is the AI assistant built into the website builder that can generate and adjust elements for you. Go ahead and open the Horizons panel so that it appears on the side of your screen next to your website preview. With the panel open, you're going to prompt the AI to create the tabs you want. The key here is to type a clear, specific request, so Horizons understands exactly what you're trying to build. Instead of something vague like add some tabs, describe how many tabs you want, what each tab should be called, and any basic styling details that matter to you. For example, you could type something like create a 3-tab navigation block, tab 1, recipe, tab 2, instructions, tab 3, conclusion. Make the active tab dark green with white text. Notice how that prompt covers 3 important things. It says how many tabs there should be, it lists the titles of each tab in order, and it includes a styling request for the active tab. You can adapt this format to fit your own content. Maybe you're making tabs for overview, features, and pricing, or for about, schedule, and FAQ. Just replace the example text with your own labels and colors. After you submit your prompt, Horizons will generate a tabbed block and display a live preview right on your page. Give it a moment to render, then look closely at how the tabs appear and how they behave when you click between them. This is your chance to refine the design and interaction so it feels just right. If the tabs feel a little sluggish when switching from one to another, you can simply tell Horizons, make the tabs switch faster. The AI will adjust the animation or transition speed to make the change feel more snappy. If you want to visually separate the tab content from the rest of the page, you can say something like, add a border around the content area. Horizons will then apply a border around the pane where the tab content appears, helping it stand out more clearly. You can keep iterating like this, using short direct instructions. Focus on what you see. If the text is hard to read, mention the color, size, or weight. If the spacing feels off, ask it to increase or decrease padding. Each time, check the live preview and see whether it matches what you had in mind. Once you're happy with the layout, the labels, and the behavior of the tabs, you've successfully created a tabbed section in the Hosting a Website Builder using Horizons. From there, you can click into each tab's content area and customize the text, images, or other elements just like you would anywhere else on your site.